Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these. These are like angled corner things for doing some woodworking. Let me show you what we're talking about here, if I can open it. Okay, so these are the clamps here. They're corner clamps, I think is maybe what you call them. But so the concept is, as you're building a frame or something like that, you'll have your boards going there and there, right? And then you can close them in. Let me see, do I have something I can stick in there? Well, I probably do. Okay, so if I was doing, this was a corner here. I gotta unscrew this thing way a lot. Okay, so if I wanted to make a corner of that and this, two packages. Still gotta go out. Right? I wanted to make a square corner. I'm able to do that, and then as I tighten it up, you see it holds it in place to make a square corner. And so we have given 4 of these, so we can have, so this is gonna be a nice square corner here. We can get 4 square corners here because we are given 4 of these. So that's what we do, and we can have for woodworking, for making a frame, for making something big. I built a, I'm pointing to it because it's on the other side of the room, a huge Murphy bed, and this would have totally come in handy for those corners because holding those corners in place as I was doing it, I had straps around it, and it kind of ended up off kilter. If I look at it now, I see there's big spaces and corners and things like that where if I would have had something like this, it would have held it in place. And this is great. So you can use it like that. Take off these boxes, but you see it kind of goes in and it'll squeeze it. As it squeezes into place, it keeps itself in check. But you could mount it down to your workspace if you're having more permanent kind of things. Or the way I would do it if I was doing it down like that, I would probably mount down one corner and then the other corners I could be able to adjust as I do it. And you're given 4 of these devices. So you have for all the different corners. So you can have nice corners on your things now. So if you're building canvases or building any type of furniture, you are going to be in luck now to be able to do it like that. So you can even do it with thin veneers and it'll just kind of go right out there and there and give you the ability to glue it and mount it and everything. So totally great device. Just ingenious. I don't know why I never had something like this before, but I do now. Thumbs up.